Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need either the screen time passcode or the Apple ID used to set it, and the iPad should run the latest iPad OS. Once done, open Settings and tap Screen Time. This gets you straight to the control center for limits. Make sure your device is charged and on Wi-Fi so settings sync with iCloud. Start now by locating the Screen Time entry. This is where restrictions live and where you'll perform the removal steps. Once in Screen Time, choose App Limits for app timers or downtime for scheduled blocks. These are the two places that enforce a time cap. Tap the specific entry, then either disable the toggle, adjust days and hours to remove the restriction, or delete the limit entirely by tapping Delete Limit. If you're removing limits set by a family organizer, authenticate with the organizer's Apple ID or use the Screen Time passcode when prompted. This confirms ownership and prevents accidental changes. To finish, you can disable Screen Time entirely by tapping Turn off Screen Time and confirming with the passcode or the Apple ID credentials. This removes all limits at once. If you don't have the passcode, use the Apple ID recovery workflow or restore the iPad from a recent encrypted backup via Finder or iTunes to clear the code. After changes, restart the iPad and verify in settings that app limits and downtime are cleared. If something fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.